平安。
平安。
I promised Jason that I would not change a word in what I'm going to say.
替牧师有甲答应讲，伊袂改迄个今日讲道的内容。
So I'm sorry, Jason. I had to make some changes.
我要紧来，因为我拢脑筋急转弯，我会当转来。
Okay?
I think about your translation. I'm saying I'm trying my best.
The sermon asks this question: Is faith more like riding a bicycle or playing the piano?
Can you say something?
No, they're not going to say anything. Faith, more like riding a bicycle or playing the piano?
今日起头是咧问讲，信心是甲骑脚踏车共款，还是甲弹迄钢琴共款？
We'll see. We'll see.
这等下就知影。
What are the three most valuable assets in our lives?
伫圣经内底有记载讲，咱一生当中上重要的资产。
For the Apostle Paul, he said, well, faith, hope, and love.
对使徒保罗来讲，上重要的就是信心、盼望、甲甜。
Most of us would probably say privilege, power, possessions.
伫现在足侪人应该会想到，最有价值的资产是尊严、权力、甲产业这三项。
The Greeks argued for courage, moderation, and wisdom.
伫希腊的文学内底，勇气甲准则，佮有智慧是人生上重要的资产。
People of the Renaissance period stressed courage.
伫文艺复兴的时期，遐个时期人是强调的是勇气。
The Puritans emphasized thrift and industry.
伫北美的清教徒，因是强调的是爱足谦的，伊嘛足强调爱拍拼，努力拍拼。
Confucius calls most important thing filial. What's the word I want? Filial piety.
孔子拢强调一项代志，就是对父母的孝道。
And Lao Tzu said spontaneity.
还是老子有讲过，爱顺应自然。
But for Paul, faith, hope, and love.
毋过对保罗来讲，最重要的三项有价值的物件是信心、盼望、甲甜。
So the values held by Christians by humans vary from time to time and place to place. So what is most important to us?
所以对拄则举的例，人对世间上重要的物件，会随着讲你住倒位，还是你对一个什么时代、时空的这转变，拢会改变。所以对咱来讲，到底是什么物件是上重要的价值？
Well, for many people, it's something like privilege, power, and possessions.
对现在人真正有得到迄款尊严，还是权力，还是甲财产靠关的物件，是大家较重视。
Are these obtainable?
你感觉即款物件，敢咱的手敢有法度抵？
Will they last?
清掉以后，伊敢会佫会维持足久的？
Can you put them in a suitcase?
你敢有法度甲伊放一个卡网内底？
Will they fit into a coffin?
敢有法度将迄放入一个棺材内底？
I don't remember in all of my years of ministry anyone saying as they were dying, gosh, I wish I had made more money or had more power or privilege or possessions.
伫摕着无书无会遮侪年的中间，伊袂记有人伫要死以前，伊搁在讲，我希望我会得到较侪的财产、较侪的权力，还是较侪的尊荣，还是较侪的啥物啥物。
Now, as you know, I'm not Taiwanese, although I have the mark of Taiwanese.
虽然咱拢知影摕无书毋是台湾人，毋过伊身躯有一个台湾人的记号，
You know what that is?
你知影伫倒无？
Burned from a scooter on my leg.
OK，无书的骹遮吼，有一个互迄个烟筒管，迄个乌多摆烟筒管锯过，迄个记号。
Well, you will know then that Paul did not include in his list of what was valuable something that could be burned and sent up to, or maybe sent down, I don't know, sent up to those who could use these things in the future, whether it was a car or it was money or it was a fancy boat or a new house.
保罗伊毋是台湾人，所以伊毋知影讲台湾人拢有一个风俗，传统的宗教内底，伊会当用烧的方式，将拄则讲早袂去死后的世界的物件，看是家己烧去天顶，还是烧去阴间，会当去继续来享受安尼。
Sorry, Jason, that wasn't quite in the text.
我说我超过较无共的所在去讲，毋过要紧。
Paul argued for the enduring gifts, which he labeled faith, hope, and love.
伫保罗一再强调的名单内底，伊属重视三项无变的价值，就是礼物，就是信心、愿望甲疼惜。
And these three gifts are related, but I'm only going to speak on the gift of faith today, for which you may very well be grateful.
这三项物件拢是保罗咧讲，拢有关系，信心、愿望甲疼惜是有关系。毋过，帖无书今咧讲的是信心这个礼物，相信大家应该拢会足感谢，无迄讲就会讲足久。
Are you sure that I said that?
我是很多有啦，我是解释者。
In the New Testament, the word faith, which in Greek is piste, which you knew because you have it in front of you, varies somewhat in meaning, as you might guess.
因为信心这个字伫希腊文内底，piste， 伊是有足侪款的意思。
Sometimes it means a kind of system of belief.
有当时阵会当作为解释一个信仰的系统，
Or an expression of a relationship.
也是咧解释人甲人的关系。
And sometimes it means trust or reliance.
有当时伊强调的是信任，也是甲倚靠的关系。
That is, the word faith can also mean the faith, or faithfulness, or trust.
所以信心有当时这个字伫圣经咧解释的时阵，有当会当做一个信用，也是会当当做一个形容词嘅信息，也是对人的，也是对什么物件的信心。
The only definition of faith in the Bible is in the letter to the Hebrews.
伫圣经内底对信心唯一一个记载，是用希伯来文，毋是伫希伯来书内底记载。
You'll recognize that faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen.
亲像咱今日所读的，信就是所仰望的实在， 甲画看见的书的标准。
Gotta apologize to translator because sometimes it gets very difficult. Sometimes it's difficult for me to know what I'm talking about, so it makes it. Why are you smiling? You're supposed to be.
Actually, yeah, what you said.
Okay. The Greek word is hypostasis. It means this assurance. I'm translating assurance. The Greek word is hypostasis.
今日书伊要强调的是要应用希腊文内底有一个字叫 hypostasis，伊内底做解释其中一个意思。
So I've looked at a number of translations. Faith is the assurance, or faith is the reality, faith is a deed, or faith is the substance, faith is the guarantee, faith is the foundation. All of these suggestions have been made.
所以足趣味，因为文化无共，所以这个 hypostasis 伊的意思伫上下文无共，其实有当时伊代表是一个激励，互你互人有一个勇气去做一件代志，激励，也是伊会当是一个实际存在一个物件，也是契约，也是挂保证。我对我卖物件，我要挂保证安尼，也是代志的一个基础。
The word literally means in Greek standing under.
伊伫伫希腊文内底上基本的意思，原文的意思应该就是讲去看一件物件，所以是伫啥物某某物件下骹甲牵调。
Yeah, that is, faith stands under or supports hope and assures of the realities that we cannot see.
所以信心是甲伊扛起来，也是要来支持一种望，也是讲要激励咱相信迄看袂到，毋过实际上存在的物件。
Don't you wish I'd changed that paragraph?
你希望讲牧师会改迄个拄则讲的迄段话无？Nobody knows.
To have faith can refer to a single act.
有信心这三个字会当用一个行动来说明。
I'm told that there are more than 100 billion stars in our galaxy.
有人甲特鲁斯讲，银河内底有千亿的星啊，千亿颗的星在银河系内底。
I believe it.
我相信讲的哦。
I am told the chair has wet paint on it.
嘛，有人甲我讲，迄个椅啊，伊的嘟嘟有擦过哦。
But I don't believe it.
毋过我无相信，
I have to test.
我爱去甲伊摸。
Some things can be tested, like the paint, but not the stars.
有的物件会当讲我去甲伊摸，会当去实验讲这是真还是假，毋过有的代志无法度。
Well, that's one of the examples of how faith is used.
所以拄则迄一个足好的例在解释讲信心即个概念。
And the question really is not, is there faith, but what kind of faith are we talking about anyway?
今仔咱需要问的其中一个问题，毋是讲到底有信用即个物件无？应该咱爱问的是，到底咱咧信啥物？咱信的内容是啥物？
And again, for many, people have faith in what is most valuable to them.
大家人，包括我在内，包括牧师在内，拢会将信心放伫上会当瓦靠的物件顶面。
It could be wealth or power or fame.
所以会当是财富，会当是官兵，嘛会当是名声。
And for many in our time in Taiwan, and I think also even more so maybe in Canada, it is the experience of being constantly entertained.
伫现在即个社会，不管是伫台湾还是加拿大，有足侪人因所挖过的是迄款享受娱乐迄款体验，享受娱乐那种享受的感觉。
Tai Tai, did you leave my cell phone in the car? Oh, how can I be entertained?
无输在问Betty讲，伊毋是伊迄手机有家己查出来无？若是无，伊哪有法度会享受迄个娱乐安尼？手机啊带来娱乐。
So faith is a common word. Everyone believes in something.
信用是两个足普遍的字，伊影响着咱足侪物件，咱拢有绝对拢有相信的物件。
Everyone believes in something. Faith comes to us as naturally as does our breathing.
你相信一项物件，亲像在喘气迄款自然。
But what we believe depends on different times and places and understandings.
毋过咱会去选择要相信无共款的物件，伫无共款的环境、无共款的时间，拢有所变化。
The choice for people is not between believing and not believing. The choice is only in what we believe.
若是互咱一个选择，咱的选择毋是讲要去选择讲要去信，还是毋信。因为牧师有讲，大家一出世拢会去相信一个物件，迄甲选举共款，是要选择讲要相信啥物，迄才是信仰本体。
So the choice is not whether we believe or not, but what is the object of our faith?
所以信用毋是讲到底有信还是无信，是要信啥物。
For Paul and the author of Hebrews, faith means trust in God.
伫保罗甲希伯来书的作者，信用的意思是要来相信上帝。
Trust in the assurance that God's promises will be fulfilled.
相信上帝是信实的，所以伊的应允拢袂空，伊的应允拢是会。
So we have that long, boring list in Hebrews of how God persevered with His people and things happened.
所以咱拄则读的迄个经文内底，足侪项物件其实强调讲，上帝应允某人也有得着，应允某人有得着。
For Paul, he did not want to have people believe in anything or nothing, but wanted to believe that the nature of God is best experienced by us through Jesus the Christ.
所以，使徒保罗有足侪物件，伊是咧强调讲，咱毋是咧决定信，还是无去信，咱是爱去相信。你若是要信，你爱信迄个，互你的生命更加精彩，迄会当享受你的生命会更加丰富的上帝。
I'm tempted to change this a little bit to Jason.
I accept the challenge.
A lot of people say these days, they say, I'm not very religious, you know.
有个人会讲，我毋是迄款信宗教的人。
And I'm sorry I can't talk about this because I have to go and get my tea leaves read.
所以有个人总伊无啥物信啥物宗教，毋过伊会去捡迄个叶啊，去看迄顶面迄个走迄个纹路，咧想讲伊的未来是安怎。
Or I really believe in the stars, that we can find meaning in the stars.
这无好找，有人嘛去看天顶的星吼，讲哦，啥物星伊代表意义是啥物？我知我的未来会安怎。
Or a Ouija board, or tarot cards, or palm readers.
嘛有去人去算 Ouija board 是一个甲台湾迄个碟仙足相像的物件。 伊就是放一个池啊，一个板啊顶面安尼走来走去迄款，啊，搁有塔罗牌，啊，搁有迄个看手相，手相。
And some people believe that in aliens from outer space who have my name and number and will rescue me.
有人嘛相信讲有迄个外星人，伊会知影我的名吼，啊，我是当时生的吼，啊，当我有灾难的时阵，会来甲我救。
Or maybe I believe in winning the lottery and that will rescue me too.
有人相信讲，伊若是着着乐透吼，乐透会甲我救。
And I'm surprised at how many people really, really believe in the Vancouver Canucks.
有人敢会相信讲，温哥华的迄个冰球队可能会赢好？
Taiwan.
哦，台湾啊，
Yeah, Taipei Uni President Lions.
还是要相信台湾迄个统一赛啊，迄棒球，统一师棒球队敢会赢？
So humans are simply incurable and inevitable believers. We can't help it.
所以以上咧会知影讲，人类是足固执的，固执啊，搁无要渴求的相信者。
The second part of the definition relates to the conviction of things not seen.
拄则读经文内底第二部分是讲未看见的事的标准。
This kind of intrigues me. Carol will know that we were in Lebanon, and when we were there, Terry Anderson, who's about this high, I could walk down the street and nobody would notice me. But Terry Anderson was kidnapped, and after he was finally released, he said, faith is what you find when you're alone and find you're not alone.
Harry Anderson 是个足有趣味的人，伊是牧师伫黎巴嫩熟识的，甲大卡的 Carol 拢熟识的，伊生仔足落，所以行伫街路顶面，人拢会看到 Terry 人拢会看到Terry Anderson，伊当初是互人掠去监仔内底关，伊讲即句话足重要的，信用是。 当你在孤单的时，在找帮助的时，到了会才发现讲，你并不是孤单一个人，一项计划。
James Baldwin wrote, "For him, faith is a journey towards something I do not understand, but which in the going toward makes me better."
用一句话，迄是美国的一个作家甲社会运动家 James Baldwin 讲的一句话来讲，信心参像一撮要迈向互我境界更较好的一个旅程。纵使我对伊一点仔拢无了解，一无所知的一个旅程。
Faith is a way of seeing all life.
信心是一个咱会当看清咱家己生命的一个元素。
Not a way of looking at particular things, but a particular way of looking at all things.
伊这有淡薄咧生文字游戏，信心毋是讲咱会当去看清楚一寡特别代志的眼光，伊应该是一款会当看见所有代志的一款特别眼光。
Faith shapes the way we see everything.
信心会当塑造咱安怎来看咱四周的所有物件。
And faith, as Paul knew, also relates to hope and love.
信心对保罗来讲，伊嘛是将咱会当带到愿望甲疼心迄个境界。
Faith is a way of being in love, in which you look at the world through different eyes.
信心是一款咱会当借着伊进入疼的方法，会当互咱 用听，因为听要用无共款的眼光来看这个世界。
Suddenly, everything has different meaning or has meaning.
因为安尼，每一项代志拢开始有伊的意义。
Or as Jesus put it, God notices the fall of the sparrow or the number of hairs on your head.
亲像圣经有咧讲，耶稣还是基督，讲知影讲有一个七鸟跋倒，对手机顶面跋倒，还是你头壳的头毛剩偌济，伊拢知影。
I've said this before, I know. Two men looked out from prison bars. One saw mud, the other stars.
牧师有捌讲过，伫前礼拜有讲过，两个人伊对江仔的桶仔向外口看出去，一个人看到涂骹的土，一个人看到天顶的星。
The fact that you are here suggests that your journey is one not at looking at the mud, but looking at the stars.
在座各位，因为你拢坐一只，所以我会当安尼想，咱拢所在看的，毋是涂骹的土尔，咱要看的是天顶的星。
There's a famous French atheist who was a revolutionist as well. He said once to a lowly farmer, "I will have all your steeples pulled down so that you may no longer have any object by which you may be reminded of your old superstitions."
有一个法国的无神论者，伊嘛是法国足出名的革命家，伊有对一个基层的农夫安尼讲。我要将所有带有尖塔迄个建筑物拢甲伊拆落来，互恁遮人袂有一项物件提起恁迄款的迷信。
Said the farmer, "But you can't help us, leaving us, sorry, but you can't help leaving us the stars."
迄个农夫摇头，是啦。毋过你无法度将咱天顶的星，家拢家抹煞，拢家摕走。你无法度拆毁天顶的星。
We're getting near the end, but I need to talk to the translator and say, this is number 3 for me here in the row, and I think the other 2 were easier than this one. Is this right?
I have no reference, but this is very tough.
This is tough?
无说要甲我问过，伊伫遮有3讲啊，伊感觉上，伊咧问我讲，即讲敢是上难翻译的？我是毋知影，我都比较，我感觉这是真正无简单的。
I'll not be here next Sunday.
无所以讲以后毋敢来第三方面。
There's also a sense in which faith is acquired and cultivated as well.
信用还是信心即款物件，毋是讲你一出世，你就会当得到，伊是爱后天家栽培信用，毋是信心，信用。
There's a sense, yes. And if a person doesn't take the time to, for example, listen to a piece of music, we wouldn't be surprised if they think that Bach fugue means nothing.
用一个来解释，就知影即款意思啥物意思。当一个人伊毋捌听过巴哈的所有的作品，你即马伫play 即款歌曲，你袂感觉足意外讲伊完全毋知影巴哈的音乐，特别伫倒位，伊水的所在伫倒位。
No listen, no learn.
你若是无去听，你就无法度去学。No.
So the person who has never entered into a religious experience, has either who has not thought about it, it's very unfair for them to say it doesn't mean anything.
所以，伊在延伸的一个意思就是讲，当咱在讨论信用时，若是一个人毋捌进入过任何一款信用，伊所建立的迄款这世间无上帝啊，无一个创造者，伊的即款论调是建立一个足无公平的一个基础的顶面。
Now, let me ask you this. When you learn to ride a bicycle, do you ever forget?
我顺便问大家，咱细汉有个人拢会学迄个骑脚踏车学了以后，你即马感觉会记安怎骑？有人会记啊？I think most people
Don't
do still know.
still remember.
Still, yeah.
If you learn to play the piano and you don't keep practicing it, will you be able to play the piano?
同款的问题，去问迄款会弹琴的，你若是无继续去练，你感觉会法度弹较好，弹则好？
Right? No practice, no piano.
无练习就袂晓弹。
I'm glad there are lots of good pianists here, by the way, and singers as well.
若是安尼，咱遮会足侪迄个抒琴，也是唱足好的诗歌，诗歌迄个圣诗，算着的圣歌队，就袂坐一遮。所以I drew blanks.
So faith is not like riding a bicycle, but it's more like playing the piano.
所以信用一只，伊毋是参像在骑脚踏车，伊是搁较参像在弹钢琴边。
And finally, faith is the foundation that underlies our hopes and supports the love that makes us humans, brothers and sisters of one another, and children of God, our Creator.
所以信心是咱愿望的基础，伊会当去激励咱，要来疼人。咱不因为疼，咱才有成做一个人，咱才有法度去成做互相疼痛的兄弟姊妹，也是成做创造万美的上帝的囝。
谢谢Jason。
多谢牧师。